Welcome to CPSGroup.com Virtual Assistant. Here you can submit your request for sales, service, and web assistance at any time. Please follow the instructions on this video, as we will guide you through all the steps to communicate with us efficiently. Answer very carefully to all the questions, and you will be able to send us a complete request directly to our support team. In this example, we will act as a dealer asking for web assistance. You might have to click Accept on CPS Group privacy policy and use of data. Visit cpsgroup.com/privacy policy for more information. Let's zoom more into the chat box. Please insert your name. We will act now, as we are a dealer, as an example, named John Snow, looking for web assistance. After typing, you can press Enter or click on the Send icon. The response time for the CPS Group Assistant depends on the speed of your internet connection. Please wait until it's completed. Now, you need to type your email. After typing your email, press, once again, Enter, or press the Send icon. If your email is not formatted correctly, it will be asked to type it again. Great, now we need to know how to locate you. Please write your company and address. As an example, Rome, Italy. For security, we are asking you to be more specific and insert your full company address. Now, please check the brands that are related to you. You can choose multiple brands. In this example, John Snow is a dealer for Kopma. Now, confirm your brand by checking here. Your choice of Kopma will now be recorded. You are almost done. Thanks for your patience. Now you need to type your request. You can choose between sales, service, or web assistance as dealer or service center. In this example, John Snow is a dealer looking for web assistance. Just type now, web assistance. You will explain your request later. Describe your problem and please be specific. We will use this information for submitting request ticket for web assistance to our team. The more details you include, the better it is. It is also possible to upload files by clicking on the attachment icon, if necessary to further explain your request. CPS Group Assistant can be used for submitting to us different requests, also sales and service. Keep in mind that this is an automated chat box, and our assistance team is working behind the scenes, evaluating these requests and processing them on a daily basis. Please do not submit multiple requests for the same topic. Wait until you will receive an answer by email. In this example, John Snow, a dealer from Rome, is writing his request for web assistance and he is sending it to us. Wonderful, you have completed your request. A ticket is now generated. Hold on your email, we will be in touch soon. Thank you for your time in reviewing this tutorial. As CPS Group, we are working to constantly improve our website for our operators, dealers, and service center. We appreciate your feedback. You can comment below on this video or write us on the web assistant. If you find this video useful, please consider to click on like button below. Have great day with CPSGroup.com.